Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vagifem Low Pessary. First, ensure your hands are clean and dry, washing them well with soap and water. Then, take one applicator from its protective wrapper, getting it ready for use. This simple preparation helps maintain hygiene and effectiveness, ensuring a safe start to your treatment. Remember, proper hand hygiene is crucial before touching any medication. Next, gently place the small, flat Vagifem Low tablet into the wide end of the applicator. You can find a comfortable position. Many women prefer lying down or standing with one foot elevated on a chair. Carefully insert the applicator into your vagina, guiding it inward until it feels comfortably placed. Take your time, making sure you are relaxed throughout this step. Once the applicator is in place, gently press the plunger until you feel the small tablet release inside your vagina. After the tablet is dispensed, slowly and carefully withdraw the empty applicator. It is important to dispose of the used applicator immediately in your household waste. Do not flush it down the toilet, as this is not environmentally friendly and can cause plumbing issues. Always adhere strictly to your doctor's instructions regarding how often and for how long you should use Vagifem Low. Consistency is very important. Try to use it at the same time each day, as prescribed, for optimal benefits. Store your medication safely in its original packaging, keeping it at a cool room temperature and out of the sight and reach of any children. Always consult your healthcare provider with any questions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.